Hey there, aspiring PhD scholars. Are you a working professional dreaming of a PhD at a prestigious institute? Well, this could be your chance. The Indian Institute of Management Lucknow has opened its doors for part-time PhD admissions through the Executive Fellow Program in Management or EFPM for the academic year 2025-2026. If you want to pursue a PhD without quitting your job, stay tuned because I'm about to walk you through the process, minimum eligibility criteria, and much more. So let's start. To apply, you'll need to tick a few important boxes, including educational qualification, work experience, qualifying examinations. Let's break it down starting with the education. So here's a quick overview of the minimum academic qualifications for different categories. Take a look. Now here's what this means. If you are in the general or in the OBC category, you'll need at least 55% in both class 10th and 12th. Besides this, you will also need 50% at least in your graduation for non-engineering graduates and 65% for the engineering graduates. When it comes to your post-graduation, you will need at least 55% marks. For SC/ST candidates, the required marks are a bit lower. You can pause the video and have a close look at the table given on the screen for better clarity on the percentage required. Please note, your post-graduation degree must be a 2-year-long degree to be eligible. Okay, now moving on to the next requirement, which relates to your age and your work experience. So as you can see in the table, you need to have at least 7 years of full-time work experience by March 31st, 2025. And yes, you should be currently employed. Also keep in mind that candidates must not be older than 55 years on the same date as mentioned above. Now let's tackle the part that gives most PhD aspirants chills, the eligibility exams. But don't worry, we made it simple with the help of this table. So if in case you're giving CAT, then your scores from 2022 and 2023 are only accepted. In case of GATE, you'll need a score from 2023 or 2024 GATE, GMAT and GMAT Focus Edition, and as well as for GRE, both scores should be valid when you're trying to apply to IIM's Lucknow. When it comes to GRF and SRF, if you've qualified, you are good to go. Finally, if you haven't taken any of these exams, you can still appear for the entrance examination conducted by IIM's Lucknow, which will be conducted in December in its Lucknow and Noida campus. Just be sure to mention this in your application. Also, please note the online take-home exams for GMAT and GRE as well as for GMAT Focus Editions are not accepted by the institute. So, what are the subjects that you can take up in your PhD journey? Here's a quick list of these areas which are being offered by IIM's Lucknow. Number 1 is Agribusiness Management. Number 2, Business Environment. Number 3, Business Sustainability. Moving on to Decision Sciences, Finance and Accounting, Human Resource Management, Information Technologies and Systems, Marketing Management, Operations Management, Strategic Management. Plenty of exciting fields to explore, right? Lastly, mark your calendar. Here are the key dates for your EFPM application. The last date to apply is November 20th, 2024. The entrance exam will be held in mid-December and the interviews will be held in February. Finally, the program induction would be in the month of April 2025. There you have it, the complete breakdown of the eligibility criteria, subjects and important dates for IIM's Lucknow PhD, part-time PhD program. If you meet the requirements, this could be the golden opportunity you've been waiting for to advance your career while working on your PhD from a renowned institute. If this video helped clarify things for you, hit the like button. Share it with other aspiring PhD candidates, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insight on PhD and of course postdoc as well. For personalized PhD admission mentoring with me, you can reach me at the number given below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Best of luck with your PhD journey. Stay curious, keep learning, and never stop pushing those boundaries. See you.